So the freight came today and it brought me a little bit of a present. So I'm going to do a bit of an unboxing and a bit of a, how you say, review on this tool that I've just bought. So it's a bike lift, and I've bought it through HAFCO in Brisbane, or Machinery Warehouse, I think they trade at as well. So yeah, so we're going to unbox her and put it together and see how it all works. So here's the box. Very well packaged. And there's the picture of it. Righto, we'll get her open. I'll go and get some tools together and we'll get into her. Yep, safety first. You can never be too safe. So I've got the big box cutter out here. There she is. So yep, safety first. We'll get straight into her. I'll get back when we get her open, eh? Yep, well there she is. Got the lid chopped off. Oh, look out, there's an instruction manual. Probably won't be needing to read that, I don't think. That sure looks pretty good. Like I said, fairly nicely packaged. Yep, there she is out of the box. Try and work out where all these bits go. If I can't, I'll be trying to interpret Chinese from the instruction manual, I suppose. Yeah, so this thing goes somewhere. What's it say in here? Mr. Wang Li assembled it in China, and there's some assembly required by Wang Ka. That must be me. I'll work it out, don't worry. Well, there she is. That's as high as it goes. That's nearly, I don't know, knee, like hip height. It looks all right, eh? It's got tie-down points. Tie-down points on both sides, front and back. So you run your wheel through there and it locks into there, so you'll have to adjust. I'll have to adjust that to my wheel diameter. It's got this thing here. I don't know what it does, but it's got one. Look at that. Oh, there you go. Lock the pin after folding the ramp. Oh, so you can fold the ramp up. Whoops. Got caught on the pin. Yeah, okay, that's a piece of shit. Yeah, that's what that's supposed to do. Stop that coming undone. There you go, fixed it. Oh, and it's got a hole here with a screw in it. Look at that. I wonder what that's for. Oh, hang on. We got bits left over. What do you reckon that is? What do you reckon that's for? Would it be a... No. It's got a flat spot, look. I've just worked it out. It goes that way. And I reckon that's when it's on the ground. I'll just get my Chinese shifter and we'll tighten that up. Tighten the lock nut up. That's got to be something to do when it's on the ground, I reckon. There you go, we'll undo this pin. Why won't that fucking thing work? There you go. And we'll do that. And we'll let it down. Hang on, I've got to lift it. It's got a safety lever. So that lifts up. and locks in there to that. Okay, we'll let him down. We'll see what that little leg does. Well, there it is. It's up on the lift. Quite easy to get it up there. I don't know how I'm going to get it back off, but it's might end up being a bit of a challenge. But there she is. She's quite happy up there. Nice height to work on. It's still got another 2 clicks to go to the maximum. But look at that. Fucking oil dripping out of it. Bloody Chinese shit. You reckon you'd buy something decent, wouldn't you? Anyway, I'll get on to Hare Forbes and see what they're going to do about it, I suppose. Righto, time to put him back down again, put the bike away. Something I did just notice. If I make a scissor jack thing up, oh fuck, that's hot. If I make a scissor jack up and jack it here, I'd be able to take the back ramp off and get the tyre off. Yeah, terrific. And it's got a little spot there. You can pull that plate out and drop the oil straight out. But there's no oil above it. Oil's all back here. Oil's back there. Yeah, righto. Okay, get him off now.